Hey guys, today we have this Nissan Murano, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your battery in this car. So let's go. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, move to the left and raise the hood up. Okay, so now here is our battery. Okay, this is our battery. These are the tools we're gonna use. 10mm wrench, 10mm socket with a small ratchet. So let's start. So now to get the battery out, we have to take off the terminals, we have to take off remove this bolt, loosen these bolts. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna loosen both these nuts, this one and this one. We're gonna loosen them up to the top. I'll show it to you. Up to the top, do it now, and get this bolt out. One, two, three. All right, 1, 2, 3. Now let's do this. Let's remove so this is how far you should unscrew both nuts. Now let's loosen these two. You have to loosen this one and this nut. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a wrench and loosen this till you can get the terminal off. Okay, so and set it aside. Just put it aside so it doesn't get in your way. Same thing here with this one. Okay. Now we have it out of the way. Just set it aside somewhere. Just put it somewhere so it doesn't bother us. Okay. Now this right here thing, it should try to wiggle your battery, and eventually you'll see that this thing in the end, it has a hook. Okay, hope that if you guys see it. You see this thing goes down, so it goes down and then just hooks on. Okay, and when you're tightening it up, it just tightens. So that's it. This is how it works. Now when you have it out, just move it aside like this. Okay, same way. Just put it aside. That's it. Now what we have here is our battery is moving aside from side to side, and now we can just get it out. Okay, so we have the battery out. Now guys, be very careful, it's very heavy. Okay, so take your battery to the parts store. They're gonna give you a different battery, or you can order online. If you order online, make sure that the size, the length, width is the same, and you have to make sure the terminals are in the correct positions. Okay, these things also matter, I think. Now when you have the new battery, just swap them. Okay, when you have the new battery in, same way, just put it back in place. But be careful, it's very heavy, and this one doesn't have a handle. So usually they have a handle, you just boom, put it in. This one doesn't, so I take it from both sides, and it's uncomfortable and it's heavy. So I'm gonna put it back in. Okay, when you have your battery back in, make sure that negative is here and the positive, plus, minus. Okay, so negative is here, positive is here. So now we do the same exact reverse procedure. So take your bracket. I put my bracket here. Use two hands. Get this bracket out from here. Okay, now this here's gonna be a little tricky thing. So since you have a hook here at the end, right? You have a hook. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hook. There's a white piece right there. Okay, I think I'll be able to do it even on the video. So it goes under the white piece, and there is a hole. So you get it in a hole. It's uncomfortable to do this one hand, but it will do it. Okay, so you have to hook it on right there. Okay, so hook it on and tighten this thing up. Okay, so I hooked it on and I'm holding it with one hand so it doesn't go out of the spot, and just tighten this thing up. So now take the ratchet. Okay, good. Now we can tighten this thing up here. Okay, so tighten up this thing here and then put the bolt in here. Okay, so you have to tighten this thing up, this thing, this nut, and you have to get this bolt in. Now you just put back terminals. Okay, that's it, like this. Make sure they are staying nice, and tighten up the other nuts, this one and this one. And after this, you're all set, and that's it. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.